In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress jacket sale in May 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress jacket sale in April and May 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The main thing, there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and get the best deals. And the first method is going to be by following the stores. So simply go ahead and follow your favorite jacket stores to get exclusive follower coupons and sale alerts. Here are a couple of top brands on AliExpress. So there's Icy Bear, there's Tapu, there's Samir, there's North Face, Blissful Crop, and many, many more. Simply go ahead and use credits and coins when you are about to check out to lower your final price. Also, only shop during your sales events. So shop during big sale events in April or May for best jacket discounts and flash deals. You can also check your flash deals and super deals every day for huge discounts on top jacket brands. And you can also go ahead and compare prices and customer reviews in order to purchase it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.